All right, everybody, we back at the shop. You know, what's today? Wednesday, Thursday, Tuesday? It's Tuesday. We back from Clutch Kickers. I got a whole bunch of broken everything, and I'm gonna work on getting my shit swapped out ASAP because, you know, I don't want no broken cars. So I got to do the diff on the missile because I broke my diff at the track and put it in the hatch. And then I also broke the tranny, so, well, at least second gear, so we're gonna pull that out. I got a replacement for it already. I've been had here, and we're gonna get it done. We got Nick in the house, putting in that work, you know what I'm saying? Look at that boy right there. He's so happy he get to work on that car, you know what I'm saying? So, let's get it started. We got Mash just kicking water in the air and stuff, you know, he ain't doing shit. He could be working on his motor right now, but he trying to, I don't know what he's trying to do. I think he's thinking about what he's trying to do. What are you trying to do, dog?
Dog came in clutch, leaving everything loose.
Oh yeah, everything's loose.
Not sure yet.
Everything's loose. Everything. Cause I, you know, obviously had to pull it apart.
Couldn't tell.
So I'm gonna knock this one out fast because I got all the parts. And next we're gonna bring my hatch, and I got all the parts, but it's not so much, not that complicated. I got caliper I got to put on it and stuff too. So. Which sucks because those are reman calipers. I'm really surprised they broke that quick, but it is what it is. Let me get started. Let me stop talking too much. All right, so we got the trans and the diff out, and I also got some axles because that one axle is broken. You already know this one, the second gear broke, and I got this one tranny from a trade, and it's actually super mint, like it's rebuilt. So we just went through it, checked it out, see how everything was looking. Super minty. So we're gonna put it back together and see how long second gear lasts this time. All right, so my clutch is pretty bad, but I can pull it out whenever. So I'm gonna just put it back together so I don't have a non-running vehicle. I can move it, and I'll have to order a clutch soon-ish. That's not my main focus. My other car is my main focus, so it is what it is. I'll probably order some cheap clutch for this thing, like an XTD for like 50 bucks and send it home. All right, we got the coupe done. I tested on the lift. It's got some gears. We're gonna go for a test drive and make sure everything's good. Everything worked out pretty well. We put the new tranny in, we put new diff and new axles. Technically used, but new to me. So it's all back working, feels good. There was like a little weird spot on the tail shaft where it was like bent on the output shaft, but not bent but twisted. But it is what it is. Everything seems to be working fine. Everything looks good. So we're just gonna send it. In the meantime, I'll try and acquire another tranny, and then when I get a chance, swap it all back out because I still need to order a clutch and stuff like that. But it works. It runs under its own power. So next will be the hatch. I need to fix the hydro caliper on that, and what else? Oh, try and get some fans and some stuff like that, get it cooling properly so I can run it longer. I only got like one mainly good drift at the Clutch Kickers event, and then it'll start running hot and throw time in and not run good. but the steering felt great besides that, so I'm excited. Finally, it feels like I'm getting somewhere with that car. Besides training too, I need to pull the training out and swap the training. I need to go CD, but that's later on. All right, that's it for tonight. I'm going home. It's not that late, but it's like 10:30, 10:40, and I got work. I'll be up at 6, so I'll see you guys later. All right, so made it out to OSW. Just a random drift night. Got the missile going, so I'm gonna test it out. Training was a little weird with the tail shaft, so I'm gonna see how long it lasts, but if I get a couple laps out, I'll be pretty happy. Put some Nankings on, not too excited about it. Got a little stretch, so I won't be surprised if these things be beat. But it's wet, so hopefully it's a little forgiving. Let's party.